Good evening, ladies and gents, back with another video for Leonardo AI, and I'm going to be showing you the latest and greatest feature to come into what is already a fantastic AI image program. And this is something that everybody has been asking for a very long time. This is character consistency, and as you are seeing, as I'm flashing up the images for you right now in the video, this is really good for making the same consistent character across a wide range of scenes. I'm going to show you how to do it. You can jump straight into it. There is going to be an affiliate link for Leonardo right down in the bottom of the description for you, so please do sign up for Leonardo through that. It just gives me a little bit of kickback, but it doesn't cost you anything more. So if you have not already seen it, this is Leonardo AI. It is very similar to Midjourney. I personally think it is a lot better because you can do a lot more stuff with it. I have deep dived into the program in a few other videos, so have a look back on the channel, have a watch of those and see if this is the program for you. This is all just going to be about character consistency and how to do it. So moving over to our image generation on the left side, and then going down to something that we have already done now. I have actually done this from a picture I have created on Leonardo already. You can use an existing image like a photograph of yourself or something like that, but for the purpose of this video I have just used images already created in Leonardo. Now I started off with my lady with this one here. This then developed into ones on the beach, which as you can see looks very similar. This then moved into a park, into the city, and finally at a party. As you can see, you can very easily tell it is the same character across all of these different images. I have then done this for a guy in a business suit, and then we further moved this guy into the park, into the city, and finally onto the beach. A little bit weird because one of them had armor, which I wasn't gonna ask, but a bit of a weird one. But you can tell this again is the same guy. Now I have already just made a clown, and we're going to use this as our next character consistency to really showcase this to you and to show you how easy it is done. So I'm just going to get rid of this and we're going to start right from the start. So I've already made this clown, very easy to do, just using the prompt up here. All your settings are on the side here, which I have deep dived into before. If you want to learn about these, have a look back at some of those other videos. I have made this clown already. I'm going to use this as my character consistency kind of reference image. So I need to click this icon here, which will drag down, or which will make this drag down kind of menu. Now I can go into character reference. So character reference, these are all my uploads that I have previously uploaded. I want to go into my generation, so that's where I'm going to go, and I'm going to choose my happy, definitely not scary looking clown. Now a clown, somewhere where you don't really expect to see a clown, it's probably on the beach, so that's what we're going to do first. So clown on the beach, so you still have to prompt it and everything like that. And then into this, now you can actually set this to low, medium or high, and all of these low images have been set just to mid. So I would say start off with the mid setting first. If you're finding that it is just too much, obviously drop it down to low. If you're finding it's not quite enough, put it up to high and really kind of just give it a few kind of goes, give it a few chances to really knock this image out of the park for you. I'm going to leave all the other settings on the left as the same, and we are just going to see how well this does in bringing up a clown on the beach. I'm also going to put a clown in the park, so we're going to kind of stick to the same kind of things, and a clown in the city. So I've got all these generating. They shouldn't take too long at all, but I'm just going to jump cut now from the video to the point where all of these have finished. Okay then, so that was actually less than a minute for all of these to complete, and worryingly they've actually got scarier and scarier as we've gone on. But again, this was our reference image, this guy here, so pretty clown looking. This then developed into these kinds of things, which I'm looking at the kind of markings, the face paint and everything like that, and I would say this is probably the closest one. So again, this is very close to that one there. You would never in a million years say it was a different kind of clown. Again, moving on into the park, I'd say it's probably this one is probably the closest. Again, you wouldn't even think that it's a different person. It looks totally the same. And then moving on, finally in the city, again, is so spot on, honestly. And this, remember, is just at the medium setting. I am going to deep dive into this a little bit more. I am also going to combine this with things like style reference, which are some other options in here. But I just really wanted to show you that using Leonardo AI and character consistency for whatever you are doing, it is going to be the easiest and best way of doing this at the minute with any AI program whatsoever, because I have not found any AI program that can do it just as well as Leonardo. Obviously from this as well, just very quickly, I can actually then turn these all into motion video and stuff like that as well if I wanted to do. So straight away I've just got so many more options than I do with some other programs. So I'm going to leave the video there. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this one. If you want me to deep dive into anything else Leonardo, let me know in the comments below, and I will look at pushing out for you more guides and educational content on this, because Leonardo AI is already absolutely massive. I would advise you go over onto the Discord, because the Discord community is great over there, but it's already massive. It's getting better every single day, and I am loving doing everything on Leonardo AI. Thank you very much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Hit that like button, hit that share button, all that lovely fan doobie testing stuff, and I hope to catch you around in the world of AI.